Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ida Catherine, and thank you for stopping by. I started eating a plant-based vegan diet since February of this year, 2019, and I absolutely love it. It all started with food, and the more I learned, I became aware of the things that are happening in the environment and also with health. And the more I became passionate about being vegan, since it has touched the way I eat and how I see health, now I wanted to touch different aspects of my life. So this channel is pretty much a journey into becoming vegan in beauty and life. I hope you join me in this adventure. I'm so excited to try new things. I'm very passionate about makeup and lifestyle. So I hope you enjoy my upcoming videos and we could be friends. Today's vegan brand is e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the final look. It's definitely been fun, and if you want to see my experience with these products, please keep on watching. So I prepped up my skin, so ready to go. This is the hydrating face primer, and I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm excited to try this one. I haven't opened these products yet. There it goes. I like this. It feels good. Kind of reminds me of Vaseline, just a lot lighter. It's very creamy. Feels good. All right, so now eyebrows. I have lock-in liner and brow cream, and I have in these two colors. I'm gonna mix around and see which one is better. It looks pretty good. Let me see the other one. Oh, they're pretty similar. One is darker. Actually, this might be good. Huh. Yeah, I might use this one. This is the espresso. And I have my little brush. Ooh, it's very squishy. All right, so I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna spool it out. You know what? Let me work on the espresso on this side and see how I like it. This eyebrow needs more help. Oh yeah, this one. The medium brown for sure is the winner for me. This product could last you for a long, long time. Here, the eyebrows, they're sisters, not twins. Or they're cousins, not sisters. And now I'm gonna do my foundation. And I got two colors because I wasn't sure. A lot of them look darker. So I got the vanilla and buff. But right now, probably more of the buff, the vanilla. So I'm gonna go with the buff first. Comes with a pump. I also got brushes. So I'm gonna use this foundation one. Just put it around those two pumps. So that's like two pumps and a half. All right, I'm gonna go with the beauty blender. I also got a beauty blender. Blend it well to my neck, but I'm gonna need a little more. All right, so this is already all covered. Now we're gonna move on to concealer. And I found three of them: medium peach, medium beige, and tan walnut. So I'm gonna try, I think, the tan walnut, the 16-hour camo concealer. It's like a heart. Wow, that is coverage. My goodness. And that was the tan walnut. I think the tan walnut is nice. It looks closer to me. I don't want to go so bright. If I wanted to go brighter, I would use the medium peach, definitely. So for powder, I got the HD powder, and I also got the sheer tint finishing powder. This is light medium. So this I'm gonna apply under my eyes, and this one I'm gonna add all over my face to set the foundation. This is what it looks like. This probably will warm up my face. I'm gonna use the pointed powder brush. Yep. powder here on the lid. Set that. With the beauty blender, I'm gonna do the HD powder under my eyes. Pour powder here, it's cute. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I got two palettes. I'm gonna use this one today because Thanksgiving's coming. It'll be a nice look for Thanksgiving. And I also got the brushes for the eyes, blending eye brush and the crease brush. For my crease, I'm gonna use this one right here. These feel nice. I mean, I see. Oh yeah, they look really good. I like them. They're light. Pretty color. Push it out like this. Push it out. Alright, so now I'm gonna go with the next shade. I'm going to go with this shade now. And I'm gonna do it on the ends. And I'm gonna use the same shade and do it in the inner corner. You just have to pack it on a little bit. But it's pretty nice, I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Alright, so this is what I have so far. And I think I'm gonna do this one in the middle. See how that works with my finger. That's pretty nice. And I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. Yeah, I like this palette a lot. What I forgot to get is an eyeliner, but since here, this one is a lock-on liner, we're gonna use the espresso one. I really like this product a lot. So now I'm going to do the bottom of my lashes, which I'm gonna use the same transition shade. Actually, you know what? This one right here, I'm gonna add this one to my inner corner. Okay, it's not as pigmented, so but if you go on it with like twice, it'll start giving you some color. I'm gonna do my under eye, actually with this brown right here. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I also got an e.l.f. eyelash curler. My lashes are so straight. Yeah, they're long, but they're straight. Alright, so I got this mascara. This mascara is the Volume Plumping in black. Actually, I really like this mascara a lot. I want like this and painted my background, but I gotta clean later. The show must go on. So I'm gonna warm up my face and I'm going to use the contour palette. This one right here. It's the light medium, and also the blush palette, which is this one right here. So I usually mix it around. So I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna mix it in with this one right here. Ooh, that has pigment. And I'm going to start here. So I'm gonna bronze the rest of my face up with this one right here. Go with this. Maybe mix it in. Now I'm gonna mix it in with this one. Since I have a small forehead, I just bronze up the sides, so it gives it the illusion of length in my forehead. Okay, this is pretty light. For my nose, I'm gonna contour with this one right here. I usually start from here towards the tip. This is pretty light, so it's like you're gonna have to build it up. Now I'm going to move on to highlighter. What I found was the jelly highlighter, and it's in Dew. I've never tried this before, but it's very liquidy. Put a little bit on my hand. Ooh, look, wow, that's bright. I just need a little bit. I think I'm gonna use my finger for this. It dries up pretty quick. It's already drying up on my hand, so you have to work with it pretty fast. Definitely nice. I mean, it's pretty, but it's like you have to really get the hang of it. I never use this because usually I use powder and it's easier, but definitely that's something I really want to keep playing with. I also got a clear brow gel I'm gonna use to set my eyebrows in place so they don't go crazy because they move around otherwise. Brow and lash. Pretty cool, I guess, if you curl your lashes and you want to put this up with no mascara. I'm gonna try that actually. I like that idea. Fluff them up. So I'm gonna do the lip, and what I found is this one right here. This is the Day to Night lipstick duo. It's in Needed Nudes. It looked interesting, so I guess one side is lighter and the other one's a little darker. So I'm gonna try it and see. That's a pretty color. That's a pretty color too. I think I'm gonna do the neutral one. I didn't find a lip liner, so this is gonna have to do. It's very pretty. It's creamy too. You know, let's try the other one too, the other side. I really like these two colors. Now I'm gonna try the matte lipstick in Praline. Wow, I really like this matte lipstick. But look at this, look. It's already dry and it's such a pretty color. I'm definitely gonna get more colors on this liquid matte lipstick. I didn't get lashes because I'm not sure how I feel about lashes. Definitely gonna get some and try them on maybe on the next look. But for now, I'm gonna keep it like this. I think it looks great. Ready for Thanksgiving. But my last product is the Makeup Mist and Set. So, ooh. Final thoughts on e.l.f. So the primer was really good. I enjoyed this product very much. I really like the foundation. I think it's great. Next, the concealers. The concealers are really good, and I'm excited to see how long it's gonna hold up when I'm gonna start creasing. But the colors are great. What else? I did like this sheer tint finishing powder. It was really good. I enjoyed this one as well. As well as the HD powder. The HD powder is really good. I like this. I love this product. This is the Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. Both. This one I will use for my eyebrows, and this one I will use as a liner on days I really don't want to go so dark with my liner. But really good, really creamy, and it really dries up really well. I don't see any smears yet. I mean, I'm gonna see how it goes throughout the day, but I really enjoy these two. Also, the sponge is awesome. I like the hold on it. Really great shape for it. I like it. Definitely a must. I really enjoy the mascara a lot. This is the Volume Plumping Mascara, and it's really good. I really enjoy it. I used to have a non-vegan mascara that was like, oh my god, how am I gonna replace it? Hope I can find products, but this is really good, and I'm definitely gonna keep using this one. The jelly is very interesting. How do I feel about it? Definitely something I will keep playing with and see how I really like it. I really love this product, and it's creamy and I love it. Definitely going in my purse. And also the liquid matte lipstick. The eyeshadows I enjoy, and I can't wait to play more with this. Great if you're gonna start playing with color and you want to go in little by little. I would say, I mean, there's definitely this shade was not as pigmented as I wanted, but the other ones were really good. The spray, it's good. The curler was good. I like the gel. The blushes are good. I think they're super pigmented, so I can't wait to play more around with these colors. So I can say that I was happy with all the products except one that I feel like it wasn't as pigmented as I thought, and it's the contour palette. It wasn't as what I expected. I thought it would be a lot darker. So this is it, guys. Thank you for exploring with me e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm excited that it's a vegan brand, and I can't wait to play more around with these products. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so you can see my next video on vegan beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. No, what the